Yes, in Alight Motion, what you see in your screenshot, the stacked items like video clip, group and mask, rectangle, are indeed referred to as layers. Each row, video, shape, group, mask, image, text, etc. is a layer. They are stacked from top to bottom. Top layer in the list appears above others in the composition. The red ones in your screenshot are grouped layers with masks. The green one is a video layer. The blue one is a shape layer, rectangle. So yes, they are called layers. But depending on what you add, video, image, shape, text, audio, effect, or group, they can be more specifically called video layer, shape layer, mask layer, etc. So perhaps you import a layer and eventually discover that the layer is sitting either below or above another layer that you do not want, and you intend to switch their places, make one above the other and make another below the other. All you need to do is to look to the right corner. Here, just close to the screen on top of each layer, you will see 3 lines. All you need to do is to click and hold on, and the 3 lines in that activates that particular layer and enables you to drag it to the next position, either up or down.